Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Well, it's starting to look like summer as it's starting to feel a little more like summer across North Alabama. Here's your view over Gunnersville on our Way 31 Air Care System Sky Camera Network. A little bit of haze still off along the horizon, but a good mix of clouds and sun. The temperatures, the hottest that we've seen so far this year, 86 degrees in Huntsville. That temperature does make it today the hottest day that we've seen so far for 2021. It's 85 in Muscle Shoals right now, 85 in Decatur, 83 in Fayetteville, 84 in Scottsboro. The temperatures that you're seeing right now will be on the cooler end of the spectrum over the next few days. Right now, though, on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, this picture pretty much holds for the next several days. We keep a dry picture, and it's that same view: Muscle Shoals, Decatur, Gunnersville. Each one of our three radars not showing any rain right now, and tonight it stays mostly clear. Fortunately, overnight, get a little bit of a break from the heat. 62 degrees by tomorrow morning. Similar morning conditions on Sunday. It's mostly clear, it's mild, it's a calm when the wind does start to quiet down through the overnight hours, and it's fairly light tomorrow in comparison to the wind we've been dealing with for the past couple days. Future radar shows us this. We'll start you at 10 o'clock tonight, all the way into tomorrow morning, not picking up really on any cloud cover. Temperatures starting in the 60s. By the afternoon, clouds do start to build with some of that daytime heating. We just don't see much in the way of rain as we go through tomorrow night now into Sunday morning. Starting back in the 60s by Sunday afternoon, clouds build again. Blink and you'll miss it. This data source trying to throw out that stray thunderstorm chance. I don't have it in our forecast, and instead I've got those warmer temperatures back by the end of the weekend. Keep in mind that what you're seeing here with the numbers will be a little bit hotter during the afternoon than what this data source is indicating. And I want to give you some reminders here. We're getting into that time of year, and as we get to hotter temperatures, low to mid 90s, I want to remind you of the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion versus heat stroke. If you can go ahead and treat the symptoms of heat exhaustion, you can avoid heat stroke. Start to feel faint or dizzy, excessive sweating. These are the kind of things you need to be looking out for. And I'll step out so you can read both sides of this graphic. Cool, pale, clammy skin. When you stop sweating, that's the main thing that you really need to be concerned with, because that can be a sign of heat stroke. Your body's running out of water to actually sweat and help cool itself down. A rapid, weak pulse starts to develop, and then a rapid, strong pulse in the case of heat stroke. Muscle cramps, and you may even lose consciousness if you do have heat stroke. So all of the above here, be on the lookout. Try and get to a cool place, find some air conditioning. Again, treat those symptoms of heat exhaustion so you can avoid heat stroke. Something else, the sunscreen becomes an absolute necessity this time of year. Tomorrow, 15 minutes is all it's going to take for that sunburn to start to develop with the kind of sun and clear sky really that we've got for tomorrow. In the next several days, 7-day forecast shows us that it just gets hotter. 93 Sunday, 95 Monday. Slight chance for a shower or a storm finally by the middle of next week.